Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on the do not disturb mode on Messenger. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Click on the menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Click on settings at the top, scroll down and click on notifications and sounds. And here at the top of the page you can find the do not disturb mode that you can easily enable by simply clicking on this button on the right side of the screen. And then you can mute notifications for all conversations for the selected time period that depends on your choice, ranging from 15 minutes to 24 hours or until 8 o'clock in the morning. So select the relevant one and then it will be set automatically, so you won't receive any notifications for the time selected. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.